So now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to kind of show you one way I'm going to do this the long way, and then I'm going to show you the quick way. So remember when we talked about multiplying fractions last class period, we just say you multiply your numerators and your denominators directly across, right? Yes, Cedric? So what we could do is we could just multiply these directly across, and then we would get 3m f cubed over 12f 12f. And then now we have a problem like we did last night, which we'd have to simplify, right? So then you could break this up into 3 over 12, f cubed over f times m over 1. Yes? Right? I can just rewrite them. And then you'd simplify that, reduces down to 1/4. This reduces down to f 2 minus 1 over 1 times m over 1. So therefore, you simplify, your final answer would be, this becomes a -1, which now puts it in the denominator. So your final answer would be m for f to the first. Yes? It's supposed to be 3 minus 1. You're right. And that would definitely make it positive as well, right? So it'd be an f squared. So it'd be mf squared divided by 4. All right? Now, what's a little bit easier, simpler way to be doing this? If you guys look at this problem, what I did, if you guys notice, I multiplied it, and then I separated it again, right? But just notice, ladies and gentlemen, I can kind of cross this out. Just 3 over 6, since this is multiplication, even though it's separated, we can still simplify them together. What does 3 over 6 reduce to? 1/2, right? So rather than having to multiply it together and then simplify it, you can just simplify it from the get-go. So that changes to a 1. That changes to a 2, right? 3 over 6, same thing as 1/2. Then what about f cubed over f to the f? What did that reduce down to? F squared, right? So that means that gets eliminated, and that changes to a 2. So therefore, if I was going to finalize this answer really quickly, I could just do m f squared over 2 times 2, which is 4. So you can do it the long way if you need to do it to make sense, and that's fine. You can also start doing it a little bit quicker, and you're going to get the exact same answer. OK?